What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, and today we are going to be modding this Game Boy right here with a IPS mod, an IPS mod, whatever. Yeah, let's just start taking this apart. It's in pretty good condition. Wow, I can't even get this off. It's in pretty good condition. It's just got a bunch of lines on the screen, and I did try to fix it, but I couldn't fix the lines on the screen, so here we go. And thankfully, Nintendo decided to put 1,000,000 screws in this Game Boy, so I get to take out all of these, and we're gonna put them actually in this brand new clear blue shell. It's gonna look pretty freaking awesome, but we have to do a lot of screwing and unscrewing to get there, so let's just get into it. And all of this has been cleaned already, so I don't have to do anything. I cleaned it when I tore it open before to see if I could fix the lines on the screen. So all of this is 100% ready to go. Just gotta tear it apart. And there's the old screen. We will need the speaker off of here, which does make me a little nervous because I've never actually done that before. I'm sure it's pretty simple, but I just don't want to mess that up. So put that to the side along with that. And let's whip out the new shell. These things suck. I mean, like, if you don't have a tri-wing screw and you want to do something like this, it's nice that they include them, but these are the worst screwdrivers ever. I'm so glad that I have an iFixit toolkit, and now that I put all the buttons in prematurely, we can put that off to the side for a second. We can just already just start jamming this thing in here, because there's no modding that I actually have to do to this, so might as well get this out of the way. From here, let's whip out the IPS displays, and I actually have two of them. We will be doing another mod in one of the original shells, but I'm waiting on a new glass screen lens because the other ones are just too scratched up for my liking. So I assume you'll see this video first. If not, I don't know. And this is actually what the front PCB will look like. Well, it is what it looks like. It's right here in the flesh. This isn't flesh. I'm gonna stop talking now. Wow, do not follow this as a tutorial. This is not pathetic or embarrassing at all. So, what I do know is that I need to trim some of these pieces down, and I'm gonna get out my handy dandy flush cutters for this, and just gonna pop that off, pop that off, click this post, ow, that hurt. That just flung at me, and that actually really hurt. Dang, all right. That's how it is. Oh God, hopefully that's not gonna show up on the other side, because this is clear. Wow, this is not turning into a train wreck at all. Yeah, it's gonna show up a little bit. God dang it. Okay, so I believe we will just take this. Yep, there's one. There's two. That was the first time I've ever desoldered a speaker, or really desoldered anything like that. So we'll drag this over here, put this back down. I'm just gonna go ahead and apologize now for this train wreck of a video, but I'm learning, you're learning, we're learning. It's fun, right? Yeah, okay, hold on to the speaker there. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing here. So, I think I got it. Very messy, but I think I got it. So we're gonna do one more test with the screen here. Okay, so I'm definitely not doing something right. I'm gonna assume that I did them backwards. There we go. All right. So, we got the speaker. This has just been a struggle of a video. So, speakers in. I don't even want to jack with it. Okay. Speakers in. We need to figure out. I didn't buy from a company that had the 3D printed thing, and my 3D printer will take like 4 hours to print it, and I don't want to wait that long. So I'm assuming that this is some sort of double-sided tape. I genuinely don't know what this is for. All right, after some major struggling and a lot of other things, we have it all together. It's not fully screwed in. It's not, that's not all the way in either. Click that in, there we go. It's not fully put together, but this is about to be the test to whether or not I actually did a decent job of anything. So I wanted to get it on camera. My camera just keeps dying, and I'm on my last battery. It says it's full, but we'll see. All right, here goes nothing. Okay, sound's working, but no picture. Awesome. Maybe this will work. There we go. Oh boy. It is all working and ready to go. Yeah, I'm just glad I finally got this together. This was a struggle of a video. This has been almost an hour of me just hacking away at this. It really shouldn't take this long, but we did it. And I'm gonna just put this back together. If my camera dies, it dies. So let's turn this off. And I'll put in the rest of the screws. One thing that I did forget was, oh boy. There's a little bit of a tab right here in the shell. I'm not gonna zoom in or anything. It kind of gets in the way of the contrast wheel. You can always just loosen it, loosen the screws, so it's not a big deal. Oh God. But I'm gonna cut it and even sand it a little bit here. You know, part of me does want to keep this because it has been such a train wreck, but I'm most likely going to actually put this up for sale because I do run a business on Etsy. I have an Etsy shop where I have mods for GameBoy macros. I make those, paint those up. Oh my gosh. Can't find the screw in here. There we go. I sell macros and Game Boy, painted Game Boy shells on Etsy, but here is an original Game Boy. This is my personal original Game Boy. Got Tetris in there, and this is the mod we just built with also another copy of more damaged Tetris, but it's just a bad sticker is all it is. And turn them both on. There's the difference in the screens. Oh god. It's not gonna be easy to play Tetris, 2 Tetris games at a time. This is not easy at all. Also, this is like my favorite music ever for video games. This is like just an amazing song overall. Ooh! I was pressing the wrong button on the wrong console. Wow. I can't believe I'm still going. Tetris is probably one of the greatest games of all time. If you've never played it, I don't know what's wrong with you. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna be done here and let this play out. Hopefully the music isn't too bad. I just realized like everything's at an angle. Let's just turn that down. Oh, now you can hear that they're off. Okay, but yeah, that's the difference. And if I turned off the lights, actually, you can't even see the original Game Boy because there's no backlight on here. This is a fully backlit IPS mod. Put one light on there, boom. That's the difference. Yeah, the right side, where it's pointed from the right side, you still can't really see this. It's such a beautiful mod. It's really worth the money, in my opinion. I mean, yeah, I'm trying to sell this to you, but at the same time, if you want to do this yourself and you have the knowledge and the know-how and the any other adjective, if you want to do this and you can do it, I highly recommend doing it if you're a Game Boy fan. But if you want it and you just want to buy it from me, then great. The screen lens doesn't look great right now, but it does have that plastic film protecting it. So if you are the person who does buy this, just remember to peel it off and you'll have a brand new screen lens. It looks awesome. Yeah, the screw posts are kind of visible there and you can see that the screen is off down there, but yeah, it's not great, but that was my fault for choosing a clear case to go with this one. But if you guys did enjoy this video, leave a like, and you can go ahead and roast me in the comments down below for how bad of a job I did, but I will be attempting this again with another shell that just looks exactly like this. But yeah, if you enjoyed, leave a like, comment down below. If you're new around here, hit subscribe. I promise I will try and be better. And I think that's it for me, so I will see you guys in the next one. Later, guys. Wow. I can't believe I'm still going.